都顺利。
Hello everyone, welcome to Global Hopper. We are here in Canary Wharf in East London. Just want to show you, because it's a sunny day, we thought we show you what the financial centre of London looks like.
Yeah.
Lots of high rises. It's quite refreshing to see because in Europe we don't really get that many skyscrapers. It's quite a sunny day, which is unusual in London. What do you think, Amber?
Yeah, I think it's also a really nice day today. Welcome to Canary Wharf. We live quite close by, so it is one of our favourite places in London to just walk about and just have fun.
We love Canary Wharf. It's, as Amber says, we live really close by, 20 minutes on the motorway, and it's just such a fantastic place. It's really different to the rest of London, and when the sun is out like today, it's just fantastic to walk about. It's a little bit too early for lunch. It's only 11 o'clock, but when lunchtime comes around, this place will be packed. If you haven't been here before, it's right on the bank of Thames River, which we will take you to have a look. It's really quite scenic. It's another really typical Canary Wharf styled little eatery, but yeah, it's a little bit too early. Lunchtime open, and it will look pretty. Really awesome place. If you are a photographer, then I would recommend this place to get some different perspective of London. What do you think?
Yeah, I think this is also just really unique, a really beautiful area of London to do photographs in.
This is a cool bridge. I think, again, this is a nice place for a photo, isn't it, Amber?
Yeah, nice.
Okay, this is absolutely awesome. This is the Sky Garden, right in the middle of Canary Wharf. Through the roof you can see the big banks, and they just decided to have this little garden installed on the top of one of the buildings, which is quite a nice catch. I can pretend, or you can pretend, you are in somewhere in Peru, yeah, on the route to Machu Picchu. Ah, nice. Okay guys, so you probably noticed my neck. It's not what you think. It is, I'm suffering from quite a severe hay fever this year for some reason. My throat is absolutely killing me. It's as if I have swallowed a bunch of glasses in my throat. This is the result of my mother's traditional Chinese treatment.
谁给你弄的？谁给你弄的？你不能怕的。
你看你给我弄的！
谁给你弄的？谁给你弄的？
I really like Canary Wharf because of just its unique structures. Like one part of it's just a city, and the next part is just this beautiful greenery.
Right behind you right behind you is the Big Easy.
Yeah, so it's just combined into a really cool structure, and I just really like it here.
Yeah.
Too, yeah.
I'm not cutting it out.
Okay. We're walking below the bridge that we came through in. That's such a cool bridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Such a cool area. Great area to have a picnic, which we will do, but not in here though. We're gonna pick an area for picnic that's even better than this.
Okay.
We're gonna come back later that way, because that way you can see a giant rubber duck, which is quite something, almost a landscape of Canary Wharf. But we're gonna come back this way.
The thing I really like about Canary Wharf is also the many art sculptures just dotted around here.
Yeah, totally. If you're a cricket fan, then they have big screens. Yeah, so one of the squares in Canary Wharf, really awesome.
But it's really nice. This is my favorite part in Canary Wharf. It's just really colourful. Really, it kind of shows off my energetic vibes. So I really just like this area, Canary Wharf. Yeah. I want to be a dentist in the future, but if that doesn't work out, I'll try and become a banker here, and I like to work here. Try again, 人生.
Yeah, so this place is full of bankers. So yeah, if you can't be a dentist, then at least be a banker.
Yeah.
If you can't fix other people's teeth, be a vampire.
Okay.
Okay, guys. I bet you this is something that you don't see every day. An Amazon, physical Amazon supermarket. Look at the view here. Absolutely stunning. The apartments here are astonishingly expensive.
Yeah.
Would you like to live here though?
Yeah.
Love to.
Yeah, love to.
Me too. When I become a millionaire, I'll come live in Canary Wharf. But yeah, so this is an actual Amazon.
It's like a pickup area.
No, it's not a pickup. It's actually a supermarket. You have to be a member. It's like a normal supermarket, but is see it as a posh Tesco. But anyway, this is my favorite area in Canary Wharf. Okay. Amber, what do you think of this area?
I think it's really scenic and it's absolutely beautiful in my opinion.
It reminds me a little bit of Shenzhen, don't you think?
Yeah.
Like the People's Park in Shenzhen.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, very. She's very calm, very tranquil.
Tranquil.
Tranquil. I just really like the piece. Look, airplane.
And this is Thames River. Beautiful place. the view behind, look at this. This reminds me of Shenzhen People's Park. The other place that it really reminds me of is Chicago, where all these people take the famous sunset. So we're gonna have a picnic here, yeah?
Okay.
We've got a massive yacht just over there. Look at the size of it. Must cost millions and millions. Crazy. There's a little playground here as well, and the floor is very like a sponge. This grey floor, it bounces. Go on, try it, Amber. It actually bounces.
How about these ones like this?
So yeah, a little playground right in the middle of the financial center of this great city. Just beautiful. Absolutely love this area. Restaurants everywhere. You know what this place is good for? Book review for American Cycle. This is closest to Manhattan Europe has to offer. So if you can't go to New York and want to do a book review of Patrick Bateman, then this is the place. So yeah, it's such a lovely spot to just walk around, especially when the weather is like this. Beautiful place to just enjoy oneself, have a walk around. You think?
Yeah.
One of the reasons I really enjoy this place is because it really reminds me, all this area here, 40 years ago, 30 years ago, was just marshland. No one wanted to be here, but now this is one of the trendiest places in London. And as I said, it reminds me of Shenzhen. I will put the link here. I've done a couple of Shenzhen videos, so I'll put a link here if you haven't seen it, so please go and check it out. Shenzhen is a bit like Canary Wharf on a much grander scale, because 40 years ago that city was again a little fishing village, and now it has developed into one of the largest cities in China, but not only in terms of size, but it's a place of innovation, just like here. It's incredible. Love this place. Oh, I've got some kids boat racing. Yeah. So this is the tributary of Thames River.
Et dans ce cas-là, tout ce que, en étant
This is cool. Whatever it is cool. So this is Canary Wharf Underground Station, and we have a forest of clocks right in front of us, which is quite cool. That is a very cool coffee shop.
Oh wow.
It folds when it closes, when it shuts, it actually folds down. Right, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clocks for no apparent reason, but it's cool. Okay, Amber and I just we got our food. Burger King. You can never go wrong with Burger King. We're just looking for a picnic place now. Okay, so see that over there? That's the original financial centre of London, just across the river. So this is Thames River proper. And that's Canary Wharf. Quite impressive. So this will be our picnic spots. Nice Chinese restaurant underneath. Awesome. Amber's already tacking in her burgers, and now she got a hiccup. Okay, so this is not a bad place to have a picnic at all. As you can see, Amber is already enjoying hers. So I think we're gonna cut short this video. It's a little bit shorter than normal. I'll take you to a different part of the UK in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumb up, please. Take care. You full now? And golden egg. That's cool. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the Canary Wharf so far. This is the first of our UK series. We aim to bring at least another 4 or 5 videos based in the UK to let you see what UK looks like. Or visiting the countryside, of course. We'll also visit London, but different parts of the UK as well. There is a giant rubber duck, which is part of landscape of Canary Wharf. Got people barbecuing on top of the river. Big Easy restaurant is behind. That's cool. Okay guys, so the camera battery has just died. I just want to show you this one last thing. This is what Canary Wharf looked like previously. So all of these are Dockland warehouses. Now they have been converted into modern apartments. And just to the left of the camera, that is the Dockland Museum, which is rather interesting. I've been there a few times. So if you are in the area, definitely check it out. It really shows you the life of you know, this area back in the day.